Hello everyone, today we introduce the accuracy check function. Find the accuracy check function in the Preprocessing module. After opening, enter the time zone, district, and design organization and other information. After entering, click Next. Here enter LiDAR project, then enter the KML or KMZ format flight planning file. Input the control point file. Then select the corresponding target type. After entering, click Next. A window for selecting control point coordinates pops up. Select the corresponding XYZ coordinates. Here it should be noted that the default arrangement of GCP collected is XYZ. Some numbers are in the NEZ arrangement, corresponding to YXZ. Just select the corresponding coordinates here. Next, adjust the appropriate correlation coefficient. Click on the automatically identify control point targets. The successfully recognized target has turned green. For the unrecognized targets, you can adjust the coefficient and re-identify automatically. If there are still some targets that cannot be identified, you can manually click on the corresponding target. Use the manual target recognition tool. Click the center of the target. After all targets are successfully identified, click Next. Here you can preview the relevant reports. Check the output results. Here you can check for missing information. You can manually enter the missing information. Click Next after checking. Here you can perform similar operations. Click Finish after checking. You can view the corresponding report at the report output location. This is the introduction to the calibration records function. Thanks for watching.